My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking YouTube? Is me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so back at you. I don't think I did a video in a while. What I mean by a while, I don't mean like months or nothing like that. I don't know. It's probably been a couple weeks. I probably got to look at my history, my video history. But we back at it, doing some early sneaker reviews. Want to give y'all some early sneaker content. This shoe actually comes out this Saturday. It is, and the time you're seeing this video, it should be Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, or you might just be watching my video. It might be late to my channel and you watching it Thursday or the day that the shoe come out. I don't know. The bottom line is this is the early review. I'm just leaving my house and on my way to the spot so I can get the shoe in hand so I can give y'all a detailed review of it. That's pretty much all I gotta say. I don't really want to be just talking and rambling through my intro like a lot of these sneaker YouTubers be doing. But yeah, get the review, come back, give y'all some detailed information about the shoe, and yeah, that's it. So enjoy, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay. As you see, we got this Nike Jordan box, that dark, deep blue, navy color right there with the light blue Nike and a Nike swoosh right there. Again, Nike right there. Let's get to this label. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Color is Obsidian University Blue Sail. This is size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. I feel like I haven't said that in such a long time. All right, let's get to the shoe. Said it. Tissue paper, nothing special. And boom. Okay. These look so much better in person. Set this up right there. Give me 1 second. I'm becoming a master at doing this with one hand. Pause. All right, so without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidian. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidians. I'm pretty sure these are called the Obsidians because these are based on the highs that came out of the same colorway, color blocking, the Obsidians, which went for a lot back in the day. Like, they were super popular when they first came out. But I'm gonna be real with you. I am a fan of lows way more than highs. Like, I just feel like lows, I feel more comfortable wearing lows. I'm not really a fan of highs like that. Highs are very uncomfortable for me. There is some highs that I do have. I have a bunch of highs in my collection at home, but mainly because I like the color blocking. I really don't have no necessary wants or need to wear them. I think it's gonna be the thumbnail right there. But I just don't like highs like that. But anyway, we got that Obsidian blue right there, like that. I like this leather. This leather looks pretty good. It looks like a very decent shoe. That outer sole, that outer sole right there is like that sail color, which they put on everything. It's not as yellow as the previous stuff that they had, Jordan Brand have been releasing, but it's like it's not an off-white, but it is sail, so it's not white. Like, this is white. Side panel's white. Well, not white. The side panels are not like super white. You get what I mean. You can see what I'm talking about. The Obsidian right there on the Nike swoosh. Got that light blue right here, that baby blue. Air Jordan wings on the back. Obsidian on the sock liner on the inside. I don't think they came with, oh, they do come with, I'm sorry, I was about to say they don't come with extra laces. They do. They do come with these Obsidian laces, but then what's this white? It's probably just white. Yeah, white laces right there. So yeah, I mean, all in all, I mean, it's an okay shoe. Nothing wrong with it. So what y'all think about these? Let me know if this is a cop or drop. If you think this is something y'all would be interested in picking up. I am on the fence about it, but I also was on the fence about the Cool Grade 9s that dropped like last week. I said I wasn't going to get them, and then I wound up getting them. So, so who knows? But I do like these because these are lows. So let me know. All right, going back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper information like retail and all that and release date. But they do drop this weekend, so this is like an early release. So anyway, be back and yeah, stay tuned. Okay, home. Let me turn off that. I said turn off. Let me close this blinds because that light is going to kind of mess up the angle. I mean, not angle, but mess up the view. Now it's too dark, but let me turn on this light. All right, cool. This is better. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed that detailed review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidians. I hope I wasn't saying 11 low. I hope I wasn't saying that, but yeah, give y'all some detailed information off of this. Gonna be off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. As you can see, I am in the midst of selling a lot of my shoes. The ones that's sticking out is the ones that I'm trying to get rid of. So if you're interested in anything, I got some 13, I got 14, a bunch of 13s, 12, the cherry 12s, you know, cherry, the candy cane 14s. If you're interested in any of these shoes, let me know. Size 8.5. I am not a real reseller, meaning like I'm just trying to bless somebody. I'm selling all these for $50. Like, so like it's not like I'm trying to get my money back or nothing like that. I wore them, had them for some time, so I'm pretty much over having it. You get what I'm saying? So if I can help somebody, I can help somebody. All right, so like I said, Sneaker Bar Detroit. Usually I put up the information for the shoe next to me, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't even feel like transferring everything like that because I gotta record with one phone, screen record with one phone, then move it to the other, this phone right here. I just don't feel like doing it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I just got off of work too. I'm tired. So yeah, shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit, as you can see. So you can't read along with me, but you can listen to me read it. All right, so read Jordan Brand anticipated spring 2025 collection reveals the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Obsidian, drawing inspiration from Michael Jordan's Alma Mater, the University of North Carolina. The latest release blends Obsidian and University blue tones, evoking nostalgia UNC sentiments. The shoe shares similarities with the much-loved Obsidian Air Jordan 1 High OG from 2019. That's what I was telling y'all about. Featuring a blend of Obsidian and University blue hues that channels UNC vibes. The design is crafted with a full-level upper, complemented by mesh tongues and inner linings. The release date is March 22nd, 2025. That's this Saturday. And they'll be retailing for $140. Not that bad. I mean, they lows, but not that bad. In conclusion, Jordan Brand Spring 2025 collection introduces the AJ1 Low OG Obsidians, capturing the essence of the UNC heritage. With its blend of Obsidian and University blue tones, this release promises to delight sneaker enthusiasts worldwide. Keep an eye out for its arrival at selected retailers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And these are some more images. Y'all know what I do when I give y'all this. I just didn't want to transfer nothing like that. So anyway, yeah. So what y'all think about the Air Jordan? I'm sorry, I had to put the phone down because I'm putting this on the charger. My phone was the other phone was about to die. Anyway, what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Obsidians? I do like them and I like lows, but one of the main reasons I want to get rid of a lot of my shoes is because they just going to waste. Like, meaning like I'm not really wearing a lot of these shoes, and I gotta make room. I keep on buying and buying and buying without having to wear. You feel me? Because one thing about me is I don't like really like wearing shoes when they first come out, so they sit. So then I forget about it. So I got so many shoes that just sitting from years ago, and it can't be like that. So what y'all think about it? I actually do not have nothing of its Obsidian color way, so I mean it will be a nice little thing, but I don't need it, to be real with you. I really just don't need it. So I mean, I'm on the fence about it, but like I said earlier in the video, I was on the fence about the Cool Grade 9s and I want them getting them, so we'll see. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.